Hello, if you have this sign that tire pressure is slightly low, so that means you need to set up your programming regarding your tire pressure. You need to fill some air, so we will press OK. And if I go back on menu, it's a vehicle information, vehicle status, and if you check tire pressure, it doesn't show anything, but tire pressure will be measured only while you drive. So now you guys can see like a tire pressure, all tire pressures are different. I have filled the air pressure in the tires, so you can see 35, 38, 35, 35, you know, it's a different PSI in different tires, but I will leave as is. I just want to reset it, and later on I'll make sure that all tire pressures are same, but I will reset. So if you see perform reset, and there you go. So in case if the air pressure reduces, to fill air. So this is the way how to reset your tire pressures. Thank you.